Facebook. Let's see if we get it. That's basically what my eyes are on. You can see on NASDAQ, it did even want to get to the 100-day. It just reverted back down, and now we're red again. So basically just flat on the future side. Not much to do here. Again, this is probably a good lesson for everybody, is that we're just kind of just waiting. A lot of it is just sniper mode. You're a sniper. You're just waiting for the opportunity to get into something or to see a good trade. Again, most trading, guys, is just really probabilities. Again, you can't predict the future. We can try, but again, all of it is just probabilities. You know, what is the highest probability of profiting or the highest probability of making something happen? And we're just not at that point yet to get into anything. And again, Facebook to me is the best setup, but it doesn't mean I have to get into it at this very moment. So let's take a look at IWM here. IWM was something that we were watching. So let's kind of break this up. So IWM looks interesting. Again, IWM is the small caps. If we bring up the Russell 2000, it is outperforming big time. So you see it's up 0.68%. IWM is the index to trade. You see it's up 0.77% compared to the NASDAQ 0.27 and the S&P up 0.15. So let's see if it does break that 50-day. If it breaks this 50-day moving average, we'll take a look at next week's plays. So IWM could be interesting. IWM for next week, the 164s. So that could be in play, guys. Let's take a look at IWM together. Yeah, 164 for this week is getting some love, but the 164 for next week, I think that'd be the move. But let's go ahead and wait for the break of this 50-day together. If we can wait for this break of the 50-day moving average, that'll really confirm the move to me. That'd be a really good level to play. Okay, so that is now in our sights. Obviously, Facebook is just, look at that, to the T, guys. It's rejecting to the T. Again, your resistance points. Right now, technical analysis is pretty much the really only thing you can do. Fundamental analysis that you learn in school, you can throw out the window because everything is now based on emotion and headlines. So even an FBI press conference yesterday gets people to sell off stocks. Don't know why, but that's just psychology. So again, really technical analysis is something you should focus on. Your moving averages, your pattern setups, and your order flows. But again, you could see we're getting to around 945. So really nothing has changed. And yeah, again, Facebook rejected. So I'm just telling my guys here, these are my members here. So now we're getting the move. IWM is ready. So almost there, 160.73. And IWM just broke. So let's go ahead and fill it together, guys. So 164s for next week. I'm gonna go ahead and buy 7. And I went ahead and filled. I bought 7 contracts. So I tell our members, bought IWM October 30, 164 calls at 146. I bought 7. Okay, so now we are in, and if you want to see live where we are, here we are. We are now green 1%.